What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be installing a bench pump because this 2019 ski, well, this is new. I went through a really bad experience where one of these holes popped off and my ski started sinking. I was able to go back to shore and, save it from fully sinking, but I realized this ski, for whatever reason, Yamaha in 2019 cheaped out and did not add this, so I'm gonna have to do this manually. But yeah, this is how it's gonna look. I decided to put the button here, one because it's closer, two I didn't feel like running all the wires all the way to the front, and it's still very accessible. I just have to pull the back seat like front a little bit and then press it, and that's gonna activate the bench pump. Now I'm working on running the wires, making sure everything is going to be connected as it should. Okay guys, so I do have the button here installed. Got the adhesive. I use this JB Marine Well 5 minutes. Actually, it does work in 5 minutes, and it's like hard as a rock. I was thinking of putting the stuff here. Can't do it here because this is plastic, and then I have to I have to drill through the plastic and through the hole. I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to most likely, I'm just gonna drill here. Worst case scenario, if I ever see myself where the ski is sinking, I'll just ride with this down and activate the pump, and it should serve its purpose. I'm gonna most likely drill the hole, get back to you guys. Be right back. Here you have the finished product. I drilled the hole like I told you guys before in the back, and right here you're gonna see I'm running the plumbing. Pretty simple, straightforward, and my button's right there. I'm gonna cover the wires and make it look nicer, but yes, everything is working and just as I expected. These are the last little bit of finishing touches. I wrapped this wire. I'm gonna zip line it here so it's out the way and it looks a lot cleaner.